but still, you know, if the old people for the old construction can do it, then they should follow because it's more sturdy.
That's not the main thing anymore. It's how can we make it for as little as possible?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I mean that's what it is, profit. Sadly.
That's very sad. And yet, you know, the prices still keep on going up. Hi guys, nanood ako sa live po kanina on Big TV. Naku, para akong si Cesa. Sometimes, hindi ako conscious sa pagmumuka ko. Wala akong suklay kasi most of the time, gabi ako nagbe-video. So, wala akong suklay kasi nandito lang ako sa bahay. Tilong ako sa kwarto. Tapos, hindi ko alam na para na pala akong si Cesa. Makeup lang tayo ha, pasensya na sa buhok ko kasi hindi pa ako nakapanuklay pero manunuklay ako mamaya. Ouch. Kasi lalakad kami ng asawa ko, hopefully meet kami sa aming friend, punta kaming IKEA at syempre ay may okay ako na gagamitin i-pick up para sa office ng asawa ko kasi ayaw daw niya yung ating pink chair kasi malaki daw tapos hindi nagro-roll. So, nakabili kami ng bago pang ukay-ukay na computer chair na napakamura lang talaga. Tapos, yun, pipick upin namin and after that, ay punta kami IKEA to have dinner. And then, after that, hopefully makamit yung friend ko doon sa amin. And then, after that, punta na kami sa bagong bahay. May i-install ako. Samahan niyo ako ha. Siguro masisiyahan kayo sa makikita niyo. Kakakagising ko lang. Yeah. I woke up like this ha. Teka lang. Tapos magli-lipstick tayo ng pula. Pula sa paghigugma puslan man guys. Teka lang ha. Yan. Okay.
I mean, they're open till 7, so it's after 6 already.
Who told you? Oh.
Who told me? The IKEA. If you want to go to the hot dogs, you got until 7. So let's go. Oh man, I hope he doesn't go to the bathroom in there. Come on.
Yan, okay.
They have insurance, so it's like.
Yeah, but still, you know, if the old people for the old construction can do it, then they should follow because it's more sturdy.
That's not the main thing anymore. It's how can we make it for as little as possible?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I mean that's what it is, profit. Sadly.
That's very sad. And yet, you know, the prices still keep on going up. And then they use the substandard materials. That's not good.
He said they're using cardboard in that one.
My husband is here. Isn't he adorable? Ano nangyari sa mukha ko? Good morning, hey, evening na dito. Kasi magandang gabi.
Magandang. Oh my gosh, that's terrible.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Anong nangyari sa buhok mo? Ay, grabe ko na talagang What will I do with my gray hair?
You can get the hair
Kleenex?
paint like I have. I get the hair paint sometimes.
Pintalan ko na yung buhok ko. I'm gonna paint my hair. Now when I go to the Philippines, I have it rebonded kasi hindi uso yung rebond dito. And then after that, I will have some highlights, probably gray hair din kasi hindi na talaga mapigilan. Huh?
Yeah.
Because, you know, if I color it something else, and then after 3 months, the new batches of gray hair would come back again and would creep again and it would look so ugly. But anyway, punta kaming IKEA. Oh, my favorite. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko, yung green. And nung umuwi ako dyan sa Pilipinas, bumili ako ng marami dyan. Tapos, nag-conduct ako ng schooling regarding astronomy. Yun, astronomy kasi nag-volunteer ako doon sa barangay namin. Tapos sinabi ko sa barangay captain na igagather ko yung mga bata. Tapos for 1 week ay magkaklase ako ng magka-classic ako ng astronomy. Tapos nagdala ako ng dami-daming mga dami-daming mga chocolates, and then after that, yun yung pinatikim ko sa kanila. Sabi ko, oh, ito, galing itong saan ba ito galing? Made in sabi ko, I don't know where it is made. Yung IKEA ba? It's on top of my tongue but I couldn't remember. So yun yung mga different varieties of chocolates na dinala ko doon sa Pilipinas. Tapos pinatikim ko sa kanila pag nakaka-answer sila ng ng aking mga questions. But guys, don't tell me 49 cents, seriously? Ooh. Well, milk chocolate. Huh. Bibili. I'm gonna buy this one. From $2.99 to 49 cents.